stream is ready, games loaded up, camera is ready, even the light on your face looks amazing, and you're ready to stream. But then you're looking at what your camera sees, and it's bad. Maybe it's not time for you to clean up or rearrange or organize your setup. Maybe it's just time for you to get a green screen. Let's talk about that. Welcome back, guys. My name's Dante, and I'll be your stream guide for today. Just to let y'all know, we do release videos weekly on streaming items and new streaming content. Also, if you'd like us to review an item or something that we haven't done, just make sure to leave a comment down in the notes and we'll make sure to look into it. Maybe we might even do a video on it. Also, if you're new here, just make sure to subscribe, like, comment on anything you like or don't like. We do check every comment, so if you got a comment, make sure to leave it. Welcome back to Stream Tech, guys, and in today's video we're going to cover the collapsible Elgato green screen. Elgato does have two green screens. They offer a collapsible green screen, and they offer one that you can hang from the ceiling or hang from the wall. But since we don't have the one that hangs from the ceiling and hang from the wall, we're not going to cover that one in too much detail. We are going to hit on it a little bit, but mainly today's video is going to be about the collapsible green screen. First things first, let's talk money. The bottom line between can I afford it or do I just need to go to something else? The Elgato offers, like I said, they offer two different green screens. They offer one you can hang on the wall, and they offer one that's collapsible you can pick up from the floor with a stand. They're gonna run you around $160. Now I know most of you are thinking what I was thinking when I just said that. Don't skip past $160. I can make the same thing for half the price and make it twice as large and probably do a whole room setup for just $160. But later on in this video, I'm going to explain why this green screen is worth $160 with all the features and everything you can use and all the mobility. Now that we've discussed the price of the green screen, we're going to go ahead and talk about the dimensions and material that the green screen's made of and just about how big it is. The collapsible green screen is going to weigh about 20 pounds, so it is pretty sturdy from what it's going to come with. It also comes with 2 feet underneath that you can rotate to any position that you like. Say it's windy outside and you're going to set it up, you can rotate it to a bunch of different positions to make sure the green screen stays up. Now make sure you do rotate those, because without them your green screen will fall backwards just because there's nothing to balance it if you don't rotate the feet. Alright, and once you position the legs and once you get all that set up, you basically open the box and then you pull up on a little latch that says pull up. The green screen will start slowly coming up. Don't yank on it because the green screen does start coming up automatically. You just got to give it just a slight tug and it'll automatically start going up. Now with the green screen fully extended, it is going to be at about 7 feet high and it's about 5 feet wide. The material is going to be 100% polyester and it says it's wrinkle free. We'll see. Not wrinkle free, it's going to be. So what are the cons of this product? What are the cons of the green? The legs that are located beneath the case could be a little bit longer. Don't get me wrong, the collapsible green screen is perfect for indoors use. The legs are perfect. They're not too long, they're not too short for indoor use. But they could be a little bit longer for outdoor use, or it could be replaceable where you can take longer ones for outdoor use and shorter ones for indoor use. That way you won't have to worry about a strong gust coming and taking your green screen with it when you're taking a video or taking pictures outside, utilizing the green screen. For how simple it is, you just got to make sure that the way you're letting it up has to be slow and the way you're letting it down has to be slow. The reason I say that is because even though it says wrinkle free, the green screen can fold up and it will roll down folded up, and then of course there'll be creases and wrinkles in it and nobody wants that. So just make sure you're slow letting it up and slow when putting the green screen back in the case. So why does Stream Tech approve of this $160 green screen instead of spending half the price or even a quarter of the price making your own? 3 main topics we're going to break that down into. It's going to be time, convenience, and cleaning. First one we're going to go ahead and cover is time. Because the Elgato collapsible green screen is fast and simple to set up, if you need to go to a friend's house, you need to go outside, if you need to transport it from point A to point B, It's easy. All you got to do is turn in the legs, roll down the green screen, and then you're already ready to go. Plus, if you decide to do some outdoor recording and you know weather's about to get bad or it's about to start raining, you can literally record the last minute and have this packed up within 60 seconds to throw into a car, throw into something, so you can go ahead and get out of the weather. Also, it's a hard case, so you don't have to worry about it getting a little wet. You don't have to worry about it getting soaked a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and talk about the convenience part of it. The price you pay is a lot of it's going to be coming for convenience. Say you live in a house with multiple people and there's multiple people that stream, multiple people that are in and out of the room, that use the room all the time. So it's not just you. You can literally bring it in, set it up in 60 seconds, start a stream for an hour, stream for 7 hours, and then break it down in another 60 seconds. And you don't have to spend 15 minutes, 20 minutes trying to break down a setup. It's literally, you bring it in, set it up in 60 seconds, take it out, roll it back down. You can have it out in 60 seconds. The last thing we're going to talk about is cleaning. This is one of the main reasons I bought it, is since it rolls up and it rolls back in, you don't have to worry about cleaning it. You don't have to worry about sunlight damage. You don't have to worry about getting dirt on it unless you are just eating and you sling some on it. Then you can easily wipe it off because it's 100% polyester. But I mean, other than that, there's literally, they designed this so it cannot get dirty. It doesn't get dirt on it, of course, because of the hard case. And also another main thing is, since it's in the case, it's never touching the ground. So you don't ever have to worry about, man, you know, it's been on the ground for so long, I do need to wash it, it's starting to change colors. It's never on the ground and it's never touching anything. So it should not get dirty at all, or at least not that fast, depending on how many times you use it, depending on how many times you have it out. All right, guys, these are going to be my final thoughts on the subject on the green screen. Am I telling you to go out there and buy this $160 green screen because it's the only option? Yes. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not telling you that. I'm not telling you to go out there and buy it. There's plenty other options out there. What I am telling you, that this green screen will save you time, and time is essentially money when you stream, because nobody wants to spend hours and hours or even 20 minutes setting up a stream and 20 minutes taking down a stream. That ultimately takes time out of the time that you're going to be streaming. But what I am telling you is the green screen is worth your time, it's worth your energy, worth your patience. Spend less time setting up and less time breaking down and more time streaming. All right, guys, that's going to be it for the video. If you have any questions or comments, just make sure to leave them down in the comments. We do read every comment, so if you leave one down there, we'll answer it. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you have any comments about another video that you'd like us to do, just put it down in the comments. We'll see if we can get to it. All right, guys, my name's Dante, signing out.